we want to look at a few of the expressions that we know that are properties of multiplication. So the first one is commutative. We've also done that in addition, and so basically what it's just saying is that if I take a number and I multiply something by it, it's going to be the same thing as that second number multiplied by the first. So of course, now let's do that in English. So if I've got the number 2 and I multiply it by 3, it should equal 3 times 2. And we know that 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6, so we know that that is a true statement. Now what about the associative? When we did it in addition, we just moved the parentheses around. We're going to do exactly the same thing with it in multiplication. So this one with letters, we've got an A and a B grouped, and we're multiplying that by C. And that's going to be the same thing as, let's say if we have the A and then we group the B and the C. So again, what is that in English? Well, what if we have like 7 times 2 times 5, and then we do 7 times 2 times 5. Well, 7 times 2 is 14 times 5. So 14 times 5 is 70. And over here we've got 7 times 10, which is also 70. So those are the same. So we see that the associative property is true. Now the identity property of 1. This one's really easy. Any number times 1 is always going to be that number. So if I have 2 times 1, I'm just going to get 2. Same thing with 0. Anything times 0 is going to give you 0. So no matter what number I put in there, it's automatically anything times a 0 is going to give me a 0.